Knight to f2. Alright. Okay, I've just finished my game against one of my followers here in FB. His name is Nathan Martinez. And my games were pretty bad because out of 4 games, I have 0 win, 0 draw. But I have 4 losses. Grabe, 0 tayo. 4 losses straight. Wala. So, galing. Shout out Nathan Martinez. I don't know if I mispronounced your name or your last name, I mean. Basta grabe, I'm so proud of you because you played chess very well. Grabe. So dito na tayo. Shout out sa'yo. Good game. Laro tayo next time pag may free time ka. So knight to f2. Here. Here. Mate.